gym girl. Of course, this is my default party trick. I'm a gym girl. Of course, I hold my boobs up to check if I have abs yet. I'm a gym girl. Of course, I can do a pull-up. It was arm day yesterday.